Do you see the glove balloon? You do? Where?
Yeah, how about that? There it is. Imagine that. Inside the giant's barn.
Come on, let's go get that glove balloon.
I'm not scared at all. I'm not scared at... Well, maybe just a little. The giant.
Shh. We don't want to wake him up.
Oh, we sure don't. Oh, you know what? I got a good idea. I'll wait outside safe and sound. Stand and guard. Things like that. While you do everything and...
Pete, you said you weren't scared. Are we brave? We sure are.
We are? Oh, yeah, we are brave. Yeah.
Come on, let's tiptoe up to the glove balloon.
You first.
Help us tiptoe up to the balloon. You need to stand up first. Up on your feet. Now, tiptoe with us. The giant snoring is keeping the balloon really high. We're gonna need something to stop the giant from snoring.
How can we make a giant stop snoring? It can't be done, I tell you.
That's why we got our mouse tools. Everybody whisper, "Oh, Toodles!"
Oh, Toodles!
Will the pacifier stop the giant from snoring? It sure will. We picked all our mouse tools. Everybody whisper, "Super cheers!" We did it! Now let's take the glove balloon home.
Good idea. I'll go first. Oh, chicken feathers. Excuse me.
Pete, look out!
Oh.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell something yummy, yum, yum.
Yikes, we better get out of here.
Ooh, a little boy with round ears.
Mickey!
I always wanted a boydie for a pet.
Oh, tweet, tweet.
I'll keep you in my boydie cage. Ooh, I'm gonna go get you some boydie food. I'll be right back. Bye-bye, boydie.